Hello kids. Today we are going to learn something different. So previously I used to read the lesson for you and explain the lesson for you, but today we are not going to read any lesson, but simply just by seeing the pictures we want to identify what are the characters, what is the setting, sorry, what is the setting and also the events in the story. So we are going to identify the characters, setting and events in the story. For that you want to observe carefully the pictures of the railway journey. So there is a railway journey. So who is the main character? Just by seeing all the pictures you can guess. Did you ever go on a railway journey, children? So you might be knowing while doing our journey what do we observe around, what will we see. Basing on this you want to guess the story and everything. Basing on that you want to complete your volume. Okay children, so let us move to the textbook and check it out. Okay.
As our aim is picture identification, describing some events by seeing the picture. So let us go with the My First Railway Journey written by Mrinal Mitra. So it is a picture story. You can see that dot 13, a picture story. You want to understand by seeing the picture and you want to tell about the picture in words. Now let us move to the first picture in the page number 82 and 83 where you can see a train. Can you see the scenery there? Really very beautiful. The dam is there, water is flowing. So try to use your senses, what you can see, what you can hear, what you can taste, what you can smell in that area. So everything can be kept in mind. So see the picture, first picture, and try to identify something. Try to collect something from that. Try to write something and imagine something just by imagining your railway journey. Now, if you see the second picture, you want to remember properly the area, that is the railway station. So, whom do you think are the characters? Just you can see there. If you look page number 84 and 85 in your textbook, by seeing all the pictures, you can guess the characters, about what characters. So in this second picture, we can see many characters here. Even the train name is visible, what platform, everything you want to observe. Now coming to the third picture, you can identify the difference between the first and the second picture and the third picture. Who are the characters we are talking about? So if you can see, so previously we observed on the platform the three characters, the mother, father and the boy. You can see the same characters now in the third picture, and along with them there are some. So if you observe the fourth picture, you can see along with these three characters, because it is a compartment, a railway compartment. You can see along with them some other people are traveling. Who are they? Old man and an old woman. In front of the three characters, old woman and old man were sitting. Can you see what are they looking through the window? What can they see? What can they smell? Try to guess everything. Now if you go to the fifth picture, you can see two members are missing. And can you see where the train is entering into? So it is a tunnel, it is entering into the tunnel, and my parent, the mother is reading a book, father is missing there, and even the grandmother is missing. She went somewhere, maybe moving in the train. So can you see? Try to guess more and more just by seeing the picture, what they are doing at present, what might be they thinking, what they are. So use all your senses and try to find the information. Now if you see page number 86, the picture number 6, you can see that all together what they are doing now. So father is busy with his laptop, the old woman and the old man are reading the books, mother is observing the boy. Now if you move to the seventh picture, you can see what the boy is doing, where he is going. Yes, he is observing in the same compartment. You can see some other are there. Four people, they were sitting and I think they are playing cards. So he is observing the people around. Now coming to the eighth picture, you can see that they are going somewhere. Maybe the railway station is there. Maybe their station arrived. Father took the luggage, you can see, and he is moving. Yes. Now coming to the ninth picture, the last picture in page number 87, you can see someone came. Do you think? Yes. So you can see the boy, how does he feel when he come to the station? You can see someone came to welcome them. Now, by using all these pictures, try to guess the story, try to remember something, try to collect more information. Again, you observe. Now, again, try to observe all the 9 pictures from your textbook and try to collect more information, other passengers or other people, whom they met and whom they talked, and everything you can imagine with your sense. You can see and tell with what they felt just by their senses, and you can feel by your senses. Now, basing on this story, let us try to complete our volume page number 25 about the characters, setting, and even the events, and also try to see by the senses. Okay. Now, first question is answer the following questions. Who is the main character in the story My First Railway Journey? So, in that story, about whom are we discussing mostly? So, which character can be seen mostly in all the pictures? And basing on the title, who is the main character? So, try to guess and write the answer. Where does this story take place? What is the setting of this story? Try to write the setting of this story. Now, seeing some other picture given in this book, look at the picture and fill in the details in the table. Who means the persons whom you are seeing. Who means a person. So, can you write the names of those whom you are seeing there? Now, where are they? So, the place and also what they are doing. You can write 2 or 3 details from the table about 2 persons or 3 persons. You can write and where they are sitting, what they are doing. So, basing on that, you can complete your volume just by seeing the picture. This is the describing activity which you are learning and writing. So, try to imagine yourself just by seeing the pictures and complete your volume basing on that. Okay, thank you.